Welcome to LaptopFactory Goa, where we refurbish laptops and desktops and resell them by giving them a new life at a reasonable price with warranty. We are a leading store in Goa with multiple outlets, and we have built a trusted customer base across Goa. And now we are also on board on Amazon.com. Once the laptops arrive at our facility, the first step is asset tagging. Each device is assigned a unique identification number along with a barcode. This ensures complete traceability throughout the refurbishment process. The process then moves into the cleaning stage. Our technicians open each laptop carefully and perform deep internal and external cleaning. Dust, debris, and accumulated particles are removed using professional tools and techniques. This step is crucial because overheating and performance issues often originate from clogged fans and internal components. After cleaning, the storage components, SSD or HDD, are removed and tested thoroughly. We evaluate their health, read/write performance, and temperature stability using diagnostic tools. This helps us decide whether the existing storage can be reused or needs replacement to ensure long-term reliability. Following this, we initiate one of the most critical stages, data destruction. Data security is a top priority, especially when devices come from organizations. We use certified data wiping methods that run for several hours to completely erase all existing data. Once the process is completed, we generate a detailed data destruction certificate. With data securely erased, the laptop proceeds to motherboard testing. Our technicians inspect the motherboard for any faulty or burnt ICs. If any defects are identified, component-level repairs or replacements are carried out. This ensures that the core functionality of the laptop is restored to stable working condition. At every stage, all observations and actions are documented in a structured checklist. Next, we focus again on thermal efficiency. The cooling fan is cleaned once more. And fresh thermal paste is applied to the processor. This step significantly improves heat dissipation and enhances performance stability during prolonged usage. If the SSD or HDD fails testing, it is replaced with a new, reliable spare. Similarly, RAM is upgraded wherever necessary to improve speed and multitasking capability. We also replace the CMOS battery to ensure proper BIOS functionality and system time retention. Laptop hinges are inspected and adjusted to ensure smooth opening and closing. Loose or tight hinges are corrected to improve durability and user experience. The refurbishment process then moves into cosmetic and usability enhancements. Key components, like the keyboard and battery, are replaced with new ones to provide a fresh, near-new feel to the end user. If the display has dead pixels, cracks, or any visual defects, it is replaced with a new screen to maintain high-quality output. Once the hardware is fully restored, we begin the operating system installation process. A genuine and optimized OS is installed along with essential drivers and software. This ensures that the laptop is ready to use right out of the box. After OS installation, the laptop undergoes a comprehensive performance check. We test system speed, keyboard functionality, battery health, display quality, and overall stability. Only devices that meet our strict performance benchmarks proceed further. All results are recorded, and the laptop is assigned a price tag based on its configuration and condition. A final quality control check is conducted, and a QC sticker is applied as a mark of assurance. The laptop is then carefully packed in a proper box with protective materials, maintaining a professional presentation suitable for retail. These refurbished laptops are displayed and sold in the LaptopFactory Chihuahua refurbished showroom. Importantly, any remaining unusable electronic waste generated during the process is sent to authorized recycling plants. This ensures that hazardous materials are disposed of safely and responsibly. At LaptopFactory Goa, we don't just refurbish laptops, we give them a second life. By doing so, we reduce e-waste, conserve resources, and contribute to a sustainable environment while delivering high-quality, affordable technology to our customers. At LaptopFactory Goa, we focus on making technology affordable and reliable for everyone.